1940s Chevrolet truck. It's green and it says GW 7000. This was probably a work truck. On these old trucks, you got wood beds. This one, I'm surprised it's still actually, you know, whole, because most of them just rot out. Taillights were an afterthought, and I like these big metal chains because it's not like how on a newer truck you don't see any of that. It's easy to change out the bulbs though. It's got this wheel on the side because that's where your spare goes. It's mounted in there. Right down here you got the right down here you got where the little rails going along the side. You can stand on them when you're going to the job site. But on these old trucks, if you get hit right here, let's just say someone crashes right here and they hit that, that's no good. That's pretty dangerous. Turn signals were very much an afterthought in this. Just like that Plymouth, it has the little sun visor, which those are very useful. We go to the inside of the car. Here's what it looks like on the inside. 3 on the tree. Got your clutch down there. Look at all these gauges. No radio in this. It does have something called a warmer. Split front window. It's got a dome light. No door locks at all though. Overall, this is a very nice car.